Hey, it's Crystal, the Traveling Addict. Today we are putting in the MaxXFan in the van. I just tested it against the battery to my truck to make sure that it works, and it does work. So we have to go to Lowe's, get a few things, and we'll get started. We're checking our measurements, make sure the fan's going to fit by the solar panels.
That's what you got right there, 14. Bigger than turkey.
All right, good.
Okay, so that means if I put this spot right here in the same location here, 14 inches down, I should have it.
Right.
Well, I want to do that, keep it from walking.
Oh. That is perfect.
I like that. Got my glasses on, as you can see.
Chad's saying that because we got some nasty comments about not using his safety glasses. And he wants to make sure he is compliant with YouTube critics.
Critics. Okay, got generous amount. Working in good. Then I'll get a cleaner rag and finish it off.
And I kid you not, we cut a hole and now all of a sudden we have a
Oh gosh, I put my arm in that gum thing.
What? You smush it? in the roof.
Y'all can thank us later. Oh, that's right, because it's on the ridge.
We got our trim on here.
Okay, alright, that's good. Now I'm going to take it through. Stainless steel screw and put right there.
It looks like you're going at angles.
Yeah. And tighten it, get ready to tighten her up. That's good.
We're on limited time.
Borrow time.
Borrow time here. I tell you what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start getting all the tools in the house. Well, we got the fan in. Dad did all the hard work being on top of the roof. We'll put the trim on when we get the roof put in. I want to give thanks to Bob Wells for his video. We watched it many times to make sure we had each step of the way. Thanks, Bob.